How to fix your cannot refund game purchase in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your refund eligibility. So review the platform's refund policy, check time limit. Example, Steam is within 14 days and under 2 hours playtime. So make sure to check on your own platform. Then the second thing you want to do is verify your playtime and purchase date. So ensure that playtime is within allowed limits and check the purchase date of the game or DLC. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check for common reasons like too much playtime, outside refund window, and many more. Then if you have or you are within the exact policy, then you can simply go ahead and submit your refund request. Simply just go to support or help section and select the purchase and choose request a refund. If it doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and choose the right refund reason or add a clear explanation. If none of it works, as I already mentioned, simply go ahead and contact their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.